here we have it, the Caraudio 10 M6. Here we have it. Two-inch copper coil. It's this version is a dual 1.7, I believe, and this is recoilable. Take out a couple screws at the bottom, and there's some Allen heads, and then the Phillips screws, and then you can take this whole assembly from here, the coil from here on up. It all come out. You just replace it with a recoil. Yep. And it takes 600 watts RMS. Pretty stiff. It's not super loose. Spidey on is pretty stiff on it too as well. It does has an FS of 35 hertz. So it's gonna be a pretty good sounding setup. It's not too deep. I believe it's like 5 and a 16th deep, I believe. The cutout diameter is 9.1 inches. The overall is like almost 10 and a half. But yeah. Double stack Faraday motor. And you can mount this flat as well. The cooling vents are right here on the side. And some more cooling. Little small holes. Right there. All right.